Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how the function keys work on this laptop. The function keys are located from on the top side of your keyboard, and they start from F1 and they end with F12, and they have both primary and secondary functions, and secondary functions are different for each program that you use, but the most common ones are for F11 is opening the help menu, so F11 opens the help menu in most applications. F5 will reload, refresh the page, or maybe save your game if you're playing game, and F11 will put your device on a full screen mode. F12 will open developer tools in most browsers, and generally there's a lot more to it, and I cannot tell you each function for each primary function, for every function keys, for every application, but your laptop has specific functions dedicated to each of the function keys, and to enable the secondary functions, make sure that you turn off this light on your escape button. To do that, press FN button and escape button at the same time, and this way you will unlock secondary functions of your function keys. So the secondary functions are following: F1 for muting your system audio, F2 for decreasing the system volume, F3 for increasing the system volume, F4 for toggling your microphone, F5 for decreasing your screen brightness, F6 for increasing your screen brightness, F7 for projection options if you're connected to the monitor or if you're using your device as a monitor, F8 is to enable an airplane mode, F9 to call settings, F10 to lock the screen, F11 to switch between tabs, and F12 to call the calculator. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.